Happy Wednesday evening. Welcome again to RPM by MK, Revolution Per Minute, accelerating your fashion, beauty, and wellness trends. Today, we're going to be talking about wellness. And the topic we're going to have is about all this healing products that are available in the market. As we all know, we are all bombarded with all kinds of pollutions like noise, air, water pollutions, and now there's one thing that we are not so familiar with, which is called the EMF pollution, which is electromagnetic frequency radiation, right. Which we get this from appliances, especially this very common thing that we use every day, like cell phones, and also radiation emitted from cell sites and microwaves and all the electrical appliances we have at home. Well, our Mother Earth is already, as they say, dying because of all this industrialization. We need industrialization, but also there's the bad effects, which we're going to talk about today. And in the market, we have now a lot of companies who are bringing in a lot of products in the form of vitamins, in the form of healing products to counteract all these pollutions that we have in our Mother Earth. So today we have an interesting topic which is called quantum science, and it's the Biotech Scalar Energy Program, which the founder of the Philippines from Fusion XL, we have his presence today to tell us more about this products which they have, which are energized or which are scalarized products. And a lot of people are already using this in the market. And well, we would like to welcome Pastor Art Medina from XL Fusion. Good evening. Would you like to say hi to our televiewers?
I'd like to greet all of our millions of viewers for this very good program, GNN, and Revolution Per Minute, right, with Marlene. So it's a pleasure for me to be here, and yes, we are bringing in products within our brand called Quantum Science Biotech Optimum Energy Program by Fusion XL International.
So I'll just call you
Art.
Art. Can you tell us about Scalar? Because, ladies and gentlemen, I'm wearing one of them, and they have lended this to me for 9 days, and I tell you, it has really energized me. And one thing good about it is really it has healed my knee. I can't walk so fast, or I cannot stretch my knee so quickly when I go to the bathroom early in the morning. But amazing, it works. That's why it made me so curious to know more about this company, and I'm so happy that we have the presence of the founder himself, and he's going to tell us what does it mean by this pendants, or like this one that I'm wearing. And also they come up with this bracelet and this flask, wherein it says they are scalarized. So tell us about scalar energy.
Well, scalar energy is natural energy coming from the earth, okay? And the scientists behind these products was able to invent a machine that will embed the scalar energy in the products, such as here, what we have here, the flask, the bracelet, the pendant. And the process is a nanotechnology process. And it's good that Fusion XL has ventured into this and really set up a company that will promote products that anybody can use, because as you have said, we are exposed to e-pollution, electromagnetic pollution, as well as to challenges of everyday life, which depletes us our energy. So with the scalar energy in these products, it is like your cells are being charged as you wear the product or as you use the product, such as this flask with water in it. You can drink the water, and the water that you are drinking coming from this flask is a living water charged with scalar energy. So scalar energy is a natural energy that resonates with our cell energy, making our body more energized. That's why we say Biotech Optimum Energy Program for our quantum science brand.
Yesterday, when I was in your office and listening to your training, you were mentioning that our body has got is an electromagnetic field, and we have positive and negative charges in our body. Actually, you know, it's quite interesting because in my clinic, in my skin clinic, we do I use high frequency, and this high frequency, the frequency passed through a glass electrode without an opening, but it really can heal a pimple. And also it stops the bleeding when I do a minor incision, and then I use this frequency with this electrode. It's called high frequency, and then when I put it directly into the wound, it stops the bleeding, and it creates this yellow fluid called yellow fluid, like it's an antibacterial fluid.
Yeah.
And probably the same way that when you say you scalarize an energy, you put energy into this. And what, by the way, what is this material made of?
Well, basically, our quantum pendant is made of volcanic soil, and it's cooked or baked
Okay.
the way it is, you know, and it's like water sealed. In other words, it's petrified. It's not absorbent of water, you know.
Yes.
And the scalar energy is embedded through a machine that Fusion XL
So
has.
you have a scalarized machine
Yes,
that
a
is
scalarized
patented
machine.
and owned by the company,
That's right.
and nobody has that.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, because it's patented for them. And you said that this person is from Malaysia, who is
Yes, the owner founder of Fusion XL International, our Malaysian partners.
okay.
Mr. Paul Ting is the CEO, and his partner is K.S. Lee. And I met them when I had a chance to fly over to Malaysia to attend a conference, and that was in October 2007. And when I met Mr. Paul Ting, he explained to me everything behind the scalar energy in the products, and he did another Malaysian did a demo on me,
Yeah.
and I really believe in it the first time because I felt the difference when you don't have the pendant or the product, and after wearing the pendant, you know, there's a sudden change in the strength, in the energy of my body. So I said, is there anyone who is already distributing it in the Philippines? And he said,